Bravo B
Hello Mzansi, it's your gossip girl. Bravo B Nation had another ceremony for him at the hostel in KwaMashu. He posted these pictures and the caption was in Zulu. Then I heard the translation reading as follows. Ngibonge umcimbi bangenzele wona hostela KwaMashu solo basha. I don't know what that means, but let me just read the translation. I thank you for the ceremony they did for me at hostel kwamashu. Solobasha. I don't know what solobasha is, but anyway, it means maybe they were eating pizza and whatnot. Because I remember even Z in the house, she used to say, particularly this week, she was like, Bravo B was very strict with the kind of food that they used to dish out for him. He would tell them that, I don't eat pizza. Maybe this phrase is meaning that, I don't know. Anyway, let's just watch the video, how they enjoyed and celebrated Bravo B. At the end of the video, please like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
Bravo B Kaya kule na kwanongo makule zantaba